places that were badly hit. But just look up Ivanhoe, North Carolina, and you will understand the way I feel right now. Well, Hurricane Dorian is gone by finally after it took forever. And we here on Trestle Road in Ivanhoe, North Carolina are in total shock, y'all. SMH. Total shock. Y'all, I got up about 6:50 this morning after the hurricane has gone through. We still have power. Now, the lights flashed a couple of times yesterday evening when we were still up. And so we never reset the clock. But we still have power. I don't think that's ever happened. Thankfully, the eye did not go through. The eye did not make landfall, so I think that had a lot to do with it. But yeah, it's dark in here, but we still have power. I'm just so thankful. I'm thankful that our little single wide is still holding. I am just so thankful, y'all. This is amazing. This is amazing. The wind is still blowing some, but wow, this is a first. This is a first, y'all. So I think right now it's still a category 1, and it's soon to go over the northern part of our Outer Banks, which is closer to the Virginia line. A lot of what I'm seeing is mainly looks like tornadoes went through in this hurricane. The water, of course, we won't know until later. I'm sure there's some washed out roads and flooding, but we would know the extent of that and probably in the next couple of days when the water has risen and we know more about that. How rough things are right now in Ocracoke. Well, looks like that finally came off. Of course, this house is older than me, almost. So that finally came off the outside of the door. Where that's really the only thing we've seen that has torn off from our house. Yeah, it's pretty old, y'all. Look at this beautiful day, though. Beautiful, beautiful day. It's nice, cool breeze, and the sun shining. Hey, y'all. I just had to talk to you because we are so used to being in the news. Like last year, we had to be rescued. Um, Ivanhoe, North Carolina, if you look it up for Florence 2018, Hurricane Florence, just look up Ivanhoe, North Carolina. There were some other places that were badly hit, but just look up Ivanhoe, North Carolina, and you will understand the way I feel right now. Maintaining power throughout, except for a few minutes. The roads down here not washing out. The river. Y'all, just look up Ivanhoe, North Carolina, 2018 Hurricane Florence, and you will definitely understand why I am in such shock that this is the outcome, because we are not so stuck on hurricane categories, because we saw with Florence that really didn't mean anything. I think hurricane categories is mostly based on wind, maybe factoring in storm surge. I'm not totally sure, but we've learned that the rain, the water is really what does it. Yes, the river will probably rise some more within the next day or so, but it is nothing like what we found the day after last year, during the aftermath of Hurricane Florence last year. I am just so thankful. I am. I'm just so thankful. Different outcome, totally different for us. Again, look up Ivanhoe, North Carolina, and you will see what I'm talking about. Ivanhoe, North Carolina, Hurricane Florence 2018. Just look it up. All right, well, I am here helping my daughter come up with some more stuff for a yard sale. We're doing a benefit for our aunt next weekend. Again, we have power. We're able to get out just like nothing happened. And I'm just thankful. I am. Y'all have a good one.